Hi, first graders, it's Mrs. Walker, and in the background I have,
Mr. Rago.
you can't see him, but he's here. You'll be able to hear him. All right, we're going to work on some word blending and taking apart words again. We're going to start with nonsense words that are words that we make up, but you know the sounds, and you're going to tell me a real word that rhymes with it. So like Zed is a nonsense word. Mr. Igo, what would be a word that rhymes with Zed?
Red.
Good. Stown.
Brown.
See how I had the nonsense word and Mr. Igo had the real word? One more. Quello.
Yellow.
Good job. So you continue to work on those words. Good job. The next part I'm going to say 3 words, and all of them have the same beginning sound. So listen for those words and the sound. Cats can climb. Nice. Dogs dig down deep. Excellent. See how it is? Good job. Practice those other ones. This one, oh, we're going to be putting some parts together for a word. So, ope.
Rope.
Good. Each.
Teach.
Good job. One more. Ox.
Socks.
Excellent. Practice those up. Next part, ending sound or the final sound that a word has in it. So I'm going to say 2 words. I'm going to listen for the ending sound. Web, tube.
Book.
Excellent. Cake, book. Has, was. Oh, yeah, good job. Okay, this one I'm going to say the whole word and you're going to pull it apart with the parts. Well.
L.
Good. King.
In.
And doll.
All.
Nice job. This one we're going to have part of a word and we're going to add something to the beginning of the word to make a real word. So like axe,
Axe.
add W to the beginning.
Wax.
Nice. Amp,
Amp.
add
Ramp.
Ant,
Ant.
add k.
Can't.
And one more. Ash,
Ash.
add d.
Dash.
Good job. Okay, this one is, we're going to repeat the word. Let me see where I'm at. And we're going to take part of it out. So bump without,
Sorry.
bump
Bump.
without b.
Hump.
Must
Must.
without mm.
Us.
Good. Runt
Runt.
without
Hunt.
Nice. This one, we're going to say the word, we're going to change the beginning sound. So me,
Me.
change to nice.
He.
Change to
T.
t,
T.
change to what?
We.
Nice. And the last part of the sentences, remember to look for that question mark to ask a question, exclamation mark to say it with excitement, and the period with a normal voice. Enjoy. Have a great week. We will talk to you later.